this video, I will be showing how to use the Mentally Reference Manager. So you can download the Mentally Reference Manager software from this website, mentally.com. So the software is available for Windows OS, it's also available for Mac OS and also for Linux OS. So you can download this software from here for Windows. So and apart from that, there are two more plugins also available. One is the web importer. So using this web importer, you can directly download the articles from the browser page. So I will explain this later. And there is an additional citation plugin for Microsoft Word. So you can cite the articles in Word document while writing the article using this plugin. So once we have installed the software, the Mentally interface will be looking somewhat like this. So we can go here to add. We can go to this add files. So it will go to, you can select the files from here or directly you can select add folder, and you can select the folder in which you have already collected and downloaded and kept your articles. So you can link the particular folder and click OK. So all the respective articles will come in this reference manager page. And we can also use this watch folder option. So if you go inside this, you can select a particular folder like this. So in my case, I have given this particular checked this particular folder. So this folder will be always under my watch list. So whatever articles I am adding to this folder, it will automatically sync with my Mentally reference manager, and it will start appearing here. So whatever the articles I am downloading and saving in this folder, it will automatically come to this Mentally desktop. I mean the reference manager page. And once the article is imported into this Mentally reference manager, it is always important to check this right side window. So if you select a particular article, you can see its title, author's name, journals, years, volume, pages, abstract, everything. So it is always better to check these details are correct. I mean, if you open this article, you can cross check the title, author's name, everything, because this Mentally reference manager will um, select the, select the bibliography of the references from this. So if there is any error in this window, the same error will come again when we use this software to cite our references in the Word document. So it is always better to check here. And if we go here, here is an option called type. So we can go here and change our type of articles. So if it is an thesis article, you can go and select as thesis, or if it is a journal article, you can go here and change it to journal article, yeah, newspaper article, or some report, patent, magazine article, and even a web page type is also available. So we can go and play around here. So it is respective to our type of article. And next, as I said earlier, we can use this um, Mentally web importer. So it will come and get installed as an add-in on your web browser. You can use this. So for example, now I will show you how to download an article from Science Direct. So for example, this is an article which we need to download. You can go and click this Mentally. So before using Mentally, we need to create an account for us using our Gmail ID or whatever email ID we need to create an user login. Then only we will be able to use this. The same for the web importer as also. So Using this web importer also, you can download research articles from various journals. So next, I will show you how to um, use this citation plugin in Microsoft Word. So for example, consider this as a statement while writing an article. How to cite a particular statement from a review paper. I mean, sorry, from a paper. You can go to this reference. So once you installed this Mentally, so once you installed the Mentally citation plugin, you can see the citation plugin here. So we can go here and click this insert citation. So for example, if I want to cite this statement, keep the cursor at the end of the statement. So go to this insert citation, click. Here we need to go to Mentally. And for example, if this is the article from which I have taken that statement means, go and click an article, and you can find a double quote sign here, and you should click that. So automatically this statement will get cited. So this citation style can also be edited using this citation plugin. So for example, this particular citation is in the style of solar energy. So this is a particular citation style for this journal. So if we want to change the style also, we can go here, and there are a lot of default citation styles available. We can make use of this, or else if we want to follow any particular citation style as per the journals, we can go to this more styles, and go to this get more styles. And for example, if I want to get the the citation style of a particular journal called applied energy, so type the journal name here. So if we type the respective journal's name, you can find its own style here. So we can select the particular style and we can download it here. So this is how we have to cite um, using this Mentally plugin in Word document. So like this, you can cite as many number of times in your article using this plugin, and also with the help of this Mentally reference manager. So finally, at the bottom, we will be having our reference head subheading. So we can keep the cursor at here, and we need to go and select this insert bio bibliography. So this automatically the reference will be generated from the Mentally reference manager. So these references will be based on the metadata of the particular paper. So as I said earlier, we need to make sure that the information provided in this metadata should be correct, because these information from the metadata will be generated as the reference under the bibliography here. So we need to make sure of that. And in case if you want to edit the citation, you can always click on this citation. So you can see that this icon changed to edit citation. So if you click this, you will be able to edit it. You can delete this, and again you can go to the Mentally and cite again if you want to correct your previous cited paper. So this is a way to edit. And apart from this, if you want to cite more for a particular statement, if you want to cite more than one article, you can also do that. You can click here, go to citation, go to Mentally. So by holding on your control key, you can select the multiple articles, whichever article you have to cite, and then you can click the cite. So from 2 to 5, or whatever the multiple articles you have selected in the Mentally reference manager, so it will get cited here. So this is how you can cite multiple articles for a single statement. And next, if you want to cite an article in between, So you can also do that by placing your cursor key wherever you want, and automatically the numbers will get updated accordingly, as here in your paragraph statement as well, and as well in the reference list also, it will arrange accordingly. Mentally also has the facility to sync its data with its online cloud storage facility. So you can use the same login credentials to log in your account to the through the Mentally website. So you can access the Mentally cloud actually. So you can so this is how it looks. So you can also view all the articles which you have uploaded. So this facility helps like, so you can log in your Mentally account from any device. So you can sync the data with the cloud, so it will be very helpful in accessing the data from anywhere. And regarding the storage capacity, so you can see in Mentally it offers 2 GB of free space. So if you are using Mentally desktop, you can store, you use as many, you can, yeah, as many storage space. But if in for cloud service, you can use up to only 2 GB. So more than 2 GB you can't save it in Mentally online. And we can see here Mentally also has features for creating a backup of all the content. And you can also use this restore backup option to restore. And there is an option called export PDFs with annotations. So what you can do is inside Mentally you can use this highlight option, notes option, to create highlight important points, and to write notes, that's called annotations. So you can export all these PDFs if you want to take a backup for you. So you can use this option, export PDF along with annotations. So it will export the PDF with all your notes and highlighted informations.